Welcome to IS6FX tutorial video. In this video, we will show you how to log in to the MT5 WebTrader. This platform is web-based, so we recommend using Google Chrome or Safari for the best user experience. To log into the WebTrader, visit our website. Navigate to the Platform section, and under MT5 Platform, click on WebTrader. One of the key advantages of the MT5 WebTrader is that no download or installation is required. You can access it directly from your browser, making it convenient and easy to use from any device with an internet connection. Now, click on Open WebTrader. Read the disclaimer and click Accept to agree to the terms and conditions. Enter your login ID and password, then click Connect to Account to log in. Let's explore some options and features available in the WebTrader. We recommend enabling full screen mode by clicking here for a better user experience. Let's start with the Market Watch window. By default, it shows the 10 most popular currency pairs. You can add more by clicking here. You will see different instruments to choose from. Select an instrument to display its contract specifications below. To hide a currency pair, right-click and select Hide. Next, let's look at the chart window. To open a chart for a selected instrument, simply double-click it. There are 3 chart types to choose from: bar chart, candlesticks, and area chart. You can find them here. Multiple time frames are also customizable for your chart. Select them by clicking on the corresponding icon. To change your chart's color scheme, click the menu button and select Color Templates. To change the language of your WebTrader, click the menu button and select Languages. You will be presented with a long list of languages to choose from. You can also add indicators by clicking here and choosing the indicator of your choice. Congratulations! You can now navigate the WebTrader with assurance. Thank you for choosing IS6FX. Happy trading!